All right, so first thing that we need to do is we need to go inside your MetaMask. If you already have BNB, that's all you need in order to purchase FEG. In order to purchase FEG, you're gonna go to this section. Okay, how did I get here? Well, up here there's three lines. You click on those three lines, and it's gonna take you to the MetaMask menu bar. Inside the menu bar, you want to go to the browsers area, which is this one right here. Click on the browser. Once you click on browser, this right here is considered a URL. So what you want to do, I'm gonna erase that, and I'm gonna type in pancake swap. You can just type it like that and search. So what it's gonna do is gonna search for you, and usually the first one right here is usually the what you're looking for. So you click on it. Once you click on it, this is going to be the home menu of PancakeSwap. But we need to go to the area that says trade down here at the bottom. So once we get to the trade area, as you can see, my wallet is already connected. So I'm going to disconnect it for right now, just for training purposes. And what I'll do is I'll connect my wallet. Once you connect your wallet, you want to select the wallet that you're using. For this instance, we're using Metamask. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on Metamask. Usually for the first time, when you do that, it's going to ask you, you sure you want to connect this wallet? You're going to click yes, and just connect the wallet that you're trying to connect to. Once you are in the trading area, which is this right here, the screen that we're looking at, you want to use BNB as a form of first token you want to trade from. And the second option right here is what you're trying to trade to. So you're going to select on that option. And what I usually do is, for the first time, is I type in FEG. And since I already have it set up, it's already showing. But if you're new, it's going to show something like this, okay, with something like this. And for the first time, you're going to have to click import. I already done that, so that's why I don't have the option to import, because I already imported that token. Usually when first time when you import, it's going to ask you some kind of confirmation. Are you sure you want to import this type of token? And you want to click confirm or yes to that one. So we're going to go ahead and select FEG, because that's what I'm trying to get. All right, so the next thing is you need to know how much FEG you're trying to get. So for me, I'm trying to get about $350 worth of, I want to use $350 worth of BNB into FEG. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this number right here of BNB. So 111. Okay, and I click no, done. And then right here, I usually change the slippage tolerance to 3%, because I notice that's what works the best. And how do you change that? You go to this gear, to the settings area by clicking on the gear icon right here. Once you click on the gear icon, you want to come down here and type in the slippage that you are trying to use. Pretty much slippage is pretty much a fee. Let's try 2.5, see if it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But we'll do 2.5 for training purposes to see if it works. And as you can see, it's been updated on here. And then once I have everything that I need on my BNB amount that I'm trying to convert from BNB to FEG. So I'm going to go ahead and click swap and see if it goes through. Confirm. And confirm down here at the bottom. And it went through. So 2.5 went through. So I'm going to go ahead and close. And now I'm going to go back up here to these lines into my wallet. Once I get to my wallet, you can see my BNB has been reduced the amount, and now my FEG has increased. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's all I got. Yep. All right. Thank you.